Google team manager software engineer Abhishek Sanojam and his wife, former air hostess and YouTuber Gitanjali Elishram Sanojam, who is currently staying at San Jose, San Juan Storytime, California, USA, have extended monetary assistance for the injured village volunteers who sustained injuries fighting against armed Kuki militants during the ongoing conflict. The monetary assistance was extended today through club members of Ideal Club Sunusipai and Merapaibis of Sunusipai. Assistance of rupees 5,000 was extended to Wangkem Serda, rupees 10,000 to Somokanta Hawijam, and another sum of rupees 10,000 was extended to Bukrambam Sanaton, 20 years, from Thamnapokpi Maninglekai, who sustained bullet injuries in his right knee. The monetary assistance was personally handed over by Laishram Gokul Chandra and Tilotama, parents of Laishram Gitanjali, along with the General Secretary of Ideal Club Sunusipai Wangkem Ratan Kumar and members of Merapaibis of Sunusipai area. Laishram Gokul Chandra expressed that the monetary assistance has been provided by his daughter and son-in-law with a view to support and respect the sacrifices made by the village volunteers for the people of Manipur.
Kongang asigi Sunusipai kongang asidagi oikoigi Ideal Club ki members singna mating khara do orsu PC haibagi wakalol ama puthok pirakpadagi aigi isanupi USA da California da lairiba iyanipaga isanupi gana aikoigi mating khara moi atei atei su mating di taujai adu orgasu mana haurak pham oiba mafam sigi asokpa anaba imalaiba ki damakta ikhungang ireikai ngak nabai damakta adugumba sokhiba pangiba aduda ngamjaba mating khara pijage haibagi koi Ideal Club na pamiba wakalondu pijage haibagi wakalonda aikoigi nongaina pandana thina sokhiba aikoigi isanupa somokanta dana lisingtara aduga aigi ichanupi haitare Sarda Devi dana lising mangagi mating pibirakpani aduga thamna pokpida masu yamna thina makongda palaga sokna leibadu aduda lising tara maga pibiu haidana aigi yanipaga ichanupi ga anina pijarakpani